My name is Sarah. I want to tell you about my daily routine.
Every day I wake up early in the morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock. The alarm rings. I open my eyes slowly. I turn off the alarm. I sit on my bed for 1 minute. I take a deep breath. I feel fresh and calm. Then I get up from the bed. I fold my blanket. I arrange my pillow neatly. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. Cold water wakes me up. I brush my teeth. I brush for 2 minutes. I clean my tongue carefully. After brushing, I wash my face again. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. Then I take a shower. The water is warm. I feel relaxed and clean. After the shower, I wear clean clothes. I like simple and comfortable clothes. After getting ready, I do light exercise. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I move my neck slowly. I relax my body. Sometimes I do yoga. Sometimes I just walk inside my room. Exercise gives me energy. It keeps my body healthy. It keeps my mind fresh. After exercise, I drink a glass of water. Water is very important for health. Then I go to the kitchen. I prepare my breakfast. I like simple food. I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit. I drink a cup of tea. Sometimes I drink milk. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I enjoy my breakfast. While eating, I think about my day. I plan my work. I plan my study. After breakfast, I clean the table. I wash my plate. I keep the kitchen clean. I start my work. I work from home. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I check my messages. I make a to-do list. I write my tasks on paper. I start with easy work. Then I do hard work. I focus on my work. I keep my phone away. Sometimes work is easy. Sometimes work is difficult. But I always try my best. When I feel tired, I take a short break. I stand up. I stretch my body. Then I return to my work. I finish my tasks one by one. Every day, I practice English. English is important for me. I read simple English stories. I read slowly. I try to understand each sentence. I listen to English audio. I listen carefully. I repeat the sentences loudly. I speak English in front of the mirror. This makes me confident. I write simple sentences. I write about my life. This helps me improve my English. At 1 o'clock, I eat lunch. I eat rice and vegetables. Sometimes I eat chicken. Sometimes I eat salad. I drink water with my lunch. I avoid cold drinks. I eat calmly. I do not rush my food. After lunch, I rest for some time. I sit quietly. I relax my mind. Sometimes I take a short nap. A short nap makes me fresh again. In the afternoon, I do light work. I reply to messages. I organize my files. Sometimes I go for a walk. I walk in the park. I enjoy fresh air. I watch the trees. I look at the sky. Walking makes me feel happy. It removes stress from my mind. After that, I spend time on my hobbies. I like reading books. I like listening to soft music. Sometimes I watch educational videos. Sometimes I watch English videos. I do not use my phone too much. I take care of my eyes. I prepare things for the next day. I check my clothes. I plan tomorrow's tasks. Dinner time. At night, I eat dinner. Dinner is light. I eat soup or vegetables. I avoid heavy food at night. I eat dinner with my family. We sit together. We talk peacefully. After dinner, I wash my plate. I help my family in the kitchen. At night, I slow down. I turn off bright lights. I use my phone less. I relax my eyes. I read a book. Sometimes I write in my diary. I think about good moments of the day. I feel thankful. Before sleeping, I pray. I thank God for my life. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I go to my bed. I lie down comfortably. I close my eyes. I take deep breaths. I fall asleep peacefully. This is my daily routine. It is simple and peaceful. A good routine makes life better. Small habits bring big success. Thank you for listening. Practice English every day. You will improve step by step.